I'm John Buchanan. Now, interestingly, every once in a while, Will and I can't help ourselves and we go back to January of 2022 and we watch episode 1, Programming Your First Beat. Yes, I've got a little greyer in the intervening period. The number of synths behind me has increased. The room has changed in acoustics. But it's an interesting reminder of why I set this channel up in the first place. I want to give you a little bit of a history lesson. Don't worry, I'm not going back into the mists of time. Will and I first started working together on a now, may it rest in peace, UK-based magazine called Future Music. And at the time, what I used to do was to make only screen flow based videos from my studio in London. And what I would do is I would post them to Will every month, because what he would then do would be to collate them and put them together onto the front mounted CD, which then became a DVD. In fact, maybe it was already a DVD by the time I started making video content. And I reckon we started doing that together in about 2002, 3 maybe, something like that. It's been a long time. So the concept of teaching through logic has been something that we have been committed to for a really, really, really long time. After we stopped doing that for Future Music, we started doing it for Music Tech magazine for a little while. And what we also did was to make video content for Fader Pro. And when all of those things moved on and evolved and came to a place where they'd kind of ended for a little while, there was one day when I phoned Will and said, you know what, I think we should be doing this ourselves. And the reason for that is because it turns out that I love to teach. It's been fundamental and central to my life for a really long time. I started teaching at the Guildhall School of Music and Drama in 1999, and yeah, I'm that old. And all the way through, it turns out that I can't not teach. In the periods of time where actually I haven't even taught music, I've then sort of become a football coach for my son's football team. I love to teach and to facilitate and to enable and for all of that stuff to just move forward in people's minds. And the thing that I love most of all is exactly that thing. What happens when you give 15 people the same piece of information, the same facilitation, and to see where their creativity takes that stuff. Now, I think this is quite an interesting moment, particularly on YouTube, for what teaching means. There are so many places where you can learn anything on YouTube, but I think there are a few places where learning is actually deep and rich and involved. Now, I think it's always the case that the shiny new thing, whether that's new updates to programs or whether it's lists of the 10 things you never knew about Logic, or those kinds of content, they're always going to catch our eye and they're always going to be interesting. And we can all fall into those traps of thinking, well, actually, maybe there really is going to be something that is the hidden button on the back of the software that if I press it, new things will happen. And obviously into that whole space, we now have all of the developments around AI as well, and all of the stuff about generative music and where that might take us in the future. But specifically in terms of the music and the content that we make, why are we still doing it? And actually, I think in a way, that's a question that Will and I are starting to ponder a little bit. Because we originally said to ourselves that we'd make 50 videos and see whether or not there was an audience for them. And then 50 became 100. And actually, we're not all that far off making 250 videos. Now, if you watch us with any regularity, you'll know that obviously what's happened through all of this time is that the offering through John Buchanan Music has expanded. For those of you who are really interested, and it turns out that my teaching suits your learning style, and you want to take your learning a little bit deeper, you know probably that there is a whole series of paid for courses, and there are always links to those in every video. If you want to go and buy a course to take your learning on even further, obviously that's great news for us because it provides us with some revenue, but also it's hopefully really good news for you too, because I really believe in that teaching, and it is founded obviously not only on my years of teaching, but also on all of the work that I do as a composer for TV and the other work that I've done working as remixer as a songwriter. All of the things that I've done obviously feed into the courses that we choose to make. So there's that. That's the first thing. But I think I also want to just mention the concept of membership and support and why we've launched that and why that's important. So the truth of the matter is that this channel, in truth, makes about £200 a month. And Will and I are in it together. In other words, the content and the time that we put into making it doesn't in any way obviously pay for our time. And that's fine because we love to do it. But it is also true that it's an interesting time for YouTube in that regard, I think, and for us on YouTube, because the truth of the matter is that obviously a lot of people run ad blockers. Why wouldn't you? The ads are so unbelievably boring. We all know that. But of course, they are the revenue generator for any YouTube channel. And as a result of that, if people don't watch the ads or if they don't engage with that, it turns out that obviously becoming a subscriber alone doesn't actually influence the income that comes in from any YouTube channel at all. So the reason that we have sort of talked a little bit about membership is for those of you who either want to take your learning a little bit further and you want the extra offerings that come with the kind of production club, or for those of you who are regularly watching this content and learning from it and feel that they're in a position to support at that kind of lower tier. Because in a sense, what is hardest for anyone who is producing YouTube content week in, week out, is that sense of, well, is this still what you guys want? Is it still interesting? Is it still useful? Is it providing you with the information that you want and the ways in which you want to learn this program? As always, the thing that I believe in more than anything else is the power of teaching and what that does when it enters someone's mind and sets their creativity on fire. And across the videos that we've made, there isn't a single one I'm not proud of. Whether we've explored a particular technique in one particular plugin, goodness me, a little while ago, just a few weeks ago, we made a video about the knee control within the compressor, amazingly niche with a K and an N, as discussed in that video, but also as part of a support for the other videos we've made about compression and dynamics processing overall, hopefully a really interesting kind of Swiss Army knife extra tool to be able to help you compress things harder. And I feel like we've done that for reverb and for space and for stereo width and for programming and for orchestral programming and a whole bunch of other things as well. I stand by all of that content, but I kind of want to know whether or not this stuff is still really useful to you, whether or not it's working for you, whether or not there are things you want to do, and definitely without any question, whether or not we're in a position one way or another to find ways that this creation can be supported in ways that is useful to you as well. So it just felt like a moment to potentially just take a moment out to explain firstly why we launched the channel and where that came from, to express the enthusiasm for teaching that I have and where I hope that is landing with you in terms of your own development and your own journey through this extraordinary project and program and thing that we're building, but also just to take a moment to explain why, if you're feeling like you don't understand what the options are in terms of the kind of ecosystem that is our YouTube channel and the courses and membership, why we've launched those things and how they help support what it is that we're trying to do. So something a little bit different, and I hope you won't mind me just talking to you and monologuing, and I'm sure, and I promise, we'll be back to the important stuff really soon. Thanks.